It's really cool. So many. Very nice indeed. Yo, what's up? How you doing? I'm now in Sanur, in the Matahari Sanur beach area. Over there is the Warung Mukbang, famous place in Sanur for the fish and fish soup, fried fish. I will show you how it looks live today in Sanur. In the harbour area is quite busy, as you can see. Quite busy here in Sanur today, I have to say. So many bikes. Oh. And here, over here is famous Warung Mukbang. For everyone who are familiar, you know what I mean. And check this out, so many bikes here and so many people, because people going for holidays to Nusa Lembona, Nusa Penida, and it's quite difficult even to trespassing them. Okay, over there is the harbor area. I will go there and check this out. It's really busy. So I will go to the harbor now, and then I will back to the Sanur beach over here. Actually, I wanted to make this vlog today at morning, but I sleep quite long today, and Winnie forced me to have a breakfast. She cooked for me, you know how is it. I couldn't say no. So it's now is the time when people coming back from the island. So it's a little bit more quiet in the harbor, but more busier on the beach, which is also super cool, I think. Check this out. If you just have 2 seconds, please to subscribe to our channels The Monkeys by simply pressing the button of subscribe over here and notification bell into all. Thank you so much. So that's how it looks, the harbor after the renovation. As you can see, now everything is clear. You have boat companies and the special desks. At morning about 7-8 o'clock here is so busy, really busy. I saw on Instagram it is busy. One day I will go and record this. However, that's how it looks, the boats. If you wanna go to this island, I think definitely much more operated right now. And now I will go to the beach. We'll see how is the situation. This is very tight driving. The guy coming from this house, reverse to here, and he have to get out. It's gonna take some time, but he's doing that well. So that's how it looks like in the Sanur beach. As you can see, it's really busy. So many motorbikes and so many people on the beach walking around. So yeah, I have to say, happy to see that. It's very nice weather also today, which is super cool. Very nice for recording. It's high tide, but it's very nice. As you can see, so cool. So many kids. So much life now in Sanur, at least in this part of Sanur. Oh, that's super cool. Check this out. So many happy people around. It's really cool. So many. Very nice indeed. And also warungs here. You could buy some food, drinks, coconut. Very nice. Very cool stuff, cool vibe. Also over there they are boats going to Nusa Lembona usually. Anyway, that's how it looks, the situation. Lumpia serve, which is spring rolls. For somebody who don't know what does it mean. As you can see, it's really busy actually. Very nice. So happy to see life like this. Okay, I will move now into the direction on the promenade. Here supposed to be the coffee kiosk over here. Actually, I was thinking to have a coffee, but seems like they are closed. Not sure why, but they are closed. Of course, over there so many markets when you can buy the merchandises. And the hotel over here, if you remember, is very abundant already. Was abundant since beginning. When I make a vlog, one of my first vlog is from this area. but this hotel is unfortunately so badly abandoned. It's quite sad view for this place, I have to say. Long time I didn't make a vlog in that area actually, so for everyone who are familiar with Sanur, it must be very good memories, and definitely happy to see the people on the beach, and sad at the same time as this hotel is bankruptcy, but definitely is abandoned. And at morning in this area over here is the harbor going to Nusa Lembonan. So if you are looking to buy ticket and go to Nusa Lembonan Island, not to Nusa Penida but to Nusa Lembonan, you have to come here and find ticket. Now it's also quite good prices to go to Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembonan. You should get the local price quite easily. Maybe not super easy, not straightforward, but with little negotiations. I will come back to the beach because definitely on the beach is more happy view. As you can see, so many people playing around, chilling around. This is so cool, this thingy for the floaties for the kids. As you can see, so many happy people around. Also, if I'm already here, I would like to say a few words about the rumors what are somewhere on the internet, in the some news stations, newspapers, also Instagram, about Bali reopening Bali. It's nothing official yet, guys. So Mr. President was in Ubud last week, monitoring the situation, how it looks, and on the conference press he said as Bali will be open probably in June, July, if current situation will be gone from Bali, if you know what I mean, and the vaccination process will go with the plan, but that's only thinking. It's nothing confirmed, there's no exact dates or any decision, so please. And also another rumor is that the Bali will be open in April 2022, which is exactly next year from now. Well, 1 year and 2 weeks, let's say. But that's also rumors, and that's nothing is confirmed 100%. If something will be confirmed 100%, as is officially from the government, for sure we will make a video about that, special video, and we will inform you all, but not yet, not today. This guy was waving to me, but unfortunately I was facing camera into my side. Anyway, back to the very optimistic view is this landscape. So many people chilling around in Sanur beach. It's so nice, and the sound of the ocean in Sanur, so cool. Really happy to see that all. Whew. So many people, so nice, so happy to see that. Really, guys, so nice. And it's beautiful weather in Bali today. Yo, what's up, dog? Dog monitoring the situation on the beach. So cool. Yo, what's up, my friends? Everything good, yeah? How are you today?
I'm good. Yes.
What are you doing? Just chilling?
Just chilling with my family.
That's very nice. So many people today in beach. I'm so happy with that, you know.
Where come from?
I'm from Europe.
Europe. Which
Yeah. Poland.
Poland.
Yeah.
Oh, it's far.
Yeah. That's good one. That's good one. Yeah, it's very far away. Where are you from?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Bali.
Which part? I mean. Where?
This part in the Klungkung.
Klungkung. Oh, very nice. The Klungkung have a very nice landscape there on the road. You go and you stop, and it's like you can see the ocean and the rice fields. Where is sign Klungkung? Very big one.
Yeah.
On the road.
Have you been there?
Oh my God, I've been everywhere in Bali.
So where do you stay? In
Oh, in Sanur, you know.
Sanur?
Yeah. Okay, my friend. Enjoy your time with your family. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Take care.
Take care, yeah.
Good crack always. You can speak with someone. Very nice, friendly people. By the way, his English was very nice. Oh yeah, this is the harbor. So I will come back there more further. Alright, so here is the coffee kiosk where I plan to have a coffee, which is closed. But now I'm heading into the market area, like a small wee bazaar. Probably many people would like to sell me something here, but I have to show you. It's actually also open because since past few months ago was everything closed, but now everything is open again, so which is very cool. As you can see, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, what's up, my friend?
Hello, what's up, bro?
And that's how it looks. Here is a little bit dark, but at least it's not hot. You can buy many nice things over here, as you can see. It's very quiet actually. I mean, nice dog. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Very nice, very nice.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Very good.
Yeah, very
Take care, yeah? And I'm coming back to the how to call parking area and the harbor gate. I will try to face the camera like this because if I'm gonna face there is this very strong sun. As you can see, so many bikes, the girls waving, which is always cool actually. Last time I got some hate comments about that I'm recording too much girls. Hello, how are you, my friend? It's okay, no problem. Take care, yeah?
Yes.
This is the Warung mukbang. I have to face like this. These guys laughing because they don't speak English, they said. But I was very happy to be on the camera. It is no problem. As you can see, like that. And dog monitoring the situation over here. This is actually so cool. Very nice. Look at this dog. So cool. So happy to see stuff like this. I wanna show you the vibe. How is it today in Sanur, in the harbor area, Sanur beach area? Without not many fancy editing today, just simple. Simple how that, just simply how it is. Hello, how are you? So busy actually. Hello, boss. Oh, I have a car. I'm sorry, yeah. Sorry, yeah. Okay. So, as you can see, so many people. There is the Dunkin' Donut. Here is the security guy who took 5K for the parking. This is the main gate to the Grand Ina in Sanur. And yeah, that's how it looks, the situation. My car is over there. It's really busy. It's like in the normal conditions where there's so many tourists around. Check this out, and it's 5:30 p.m. All right, so this is our Jimny. Also, a few people in the past few days asked me when the contract is finishing for the renting this car. It's actually finished today, but this morning I just extended the contract for 1 more month. So the Jimny is staying in the family for another 1 month. Many of you actually enjoying to shots from the Jimny or of Jimny. Even somebody asked us, I want to buy the car like this in Australia. Big thumb up. Okay, I think that's it for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed anyway. I tried to show you this area of Sanur as best as I can. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Something new like always, 4 p.m. See ya. Take care. Also, some people ask us about the baby monkey Warung. This is the baby monkey Warung. Unfortunately, it's closed already for 1 entire year and it's so sad. I used to eat here quite often and yeah, that's how it looks.